Hey guys, it's Melanie with Simple Made Pretty. In this tutorial, I'm sharing how to make some no-sew floor poofs. I'm using my favorite glue gun from Bonder, and it's a mini glue gun that's cordless and it has a detailed tip. I'm also using 3 scatter rugs, and for the inserts, I'm using 6 old throw pillows and 2 old towels. You could also use pillow stuffing. You could even use blankets. I chose to recycle some old pillows that I had since I've collected throw pillows over the years. And I'm using a clear glue stick from Bonder too. They also have a fabric glue stick that you can use, but the clear sticks worked fine for me. So basically what I did was I stuck 2 of the rugs together, right sides together, and I glued the outside edges. As you can see here, I made sure the seam was completely glued. Then I flipped them right side out. And what I did next was a little trick that I did when I was making some cushions recently. I just did a fake seam. And so basically you just fold a little crease on the end here, and then you're gonna glue it together so that when it's spread apart, it looks as if there's a seam there. See, look at that. So it's kind of a hack that I did when I was sewing some cushions, and it worked out really well. I didn't have to cut the fabric, and there wasn't like a big mess of fraying ends or anything like that. So once you have all 4 of those corners glued together, you can start stuffing your poof. Now, one side's going to be open while you're working on the other side. So I just started putting my pillows in, and these are about either 18 to 20 inch pillows. And then you're going to take the 3rd rug and you're going to cut it in half, and then you're just going to glue that to the bottom side again. So this is still inside out. So you're going to glue the right sides together so that any of the edges that you're seeing here, I'm going to flip this inside out so that you won't even see these edges. It's going to look like a seam. And so then I ended up cutting a little strip off the end here, and so you can actually use that little strip as little pull handles if you want to. I chose to skip that step, but you do have those strips left if you want to have little handles on the sides of your poof. And then once that other side was completely glued, I started gluing the other side with the other half of the 3rd rug. And I left one little opening so that I could take all the stuffing out. And then I flipped it inside out so that I could reveal the cute little poof case that I created. And then I just made sure all my corners were completely open, and then I just started stuffing this. And so what I did was, since there's 6 sides to the poof, I made sure there was a pillow pressing against each side, so that way it wasn't lumpy. And then I put 2 towels in the middle. And then once I was finished with the towels in the middle, I put a pillow on that end there as well. So again, there's a pillow basically on each end. And then I folded in that corner there until you could see there was a fake seam again, and glued it completely closed. And I was able to make 2 of these. My rugs were $3 each. I used 3 of them, so these poofs ended up costing $9 to make one. And I also made a cool, huge pillow here using the same rugs and the glue gun, and I stuffed it with some blankets that I had sitting around the house. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to follow me for more DIYs like this.